Welcome back, everybody, to the Crypto Sherpa channel, where I read you the crypto news. Today's article is coming from Cryptopolitan, and BlackRock overtakes MicroStrategy in Bitcoin holdings array. So it happened. They finally caught up to them and surpassed them after only like a month and a half of being available. So yeah, it took MicroStrategy like 4 years to collect all this Bitcoin, like all those amazing articles that's announcing, oh, he bought this much or he bought this much, and now we're getting the article on BlackRock surpassed. But let's go over this article, hear a little bit more about it. Maybe it says how much they actually have. So BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has overtaken MicroStrategy in terms of Bitcoin holdings. This achievement follows a week of substantial net inflows amounting to $2.07 billion into the trust. The surge in investments has positioned BlackRock as a leading entity in the Bitcoin space, with its total holdings now exceeding 196,000 Bitcoin. This surpassed MicroStrategy's previously leading stash of 193,000 Bitcoin, so they got 3,000 more. This is marking a pivotal moment in the institutional investment trends within the cryptocurrency sector. The increase in BlackRock's Bitcoin assets comes amid a broader wave of enthusiasm for spot Bitcoin ETFs, which did see a total weekly net inflow of $2.23 billion, despite a decrease in daily inflows towards the end of the week. Now, BlackRock's IBIT led with a significant inflow of $336.3 million, and on the final day, equivalent to over 4,900 Bitcoin. This influx has not only bolstered BlackRock's position, but also highlighted the growing institutional appetite for Bitcoin investments. Now, BlackRock and Fidelity lead massive ETF inflows. The week began with a notable resurgence in Bitcoin ETF inflows, with BlackRock and Fidelity driving the momentum. Each recorded inflows surpassing $400 million on Monday, contributing to a total of $588 million for the day. Now, this early week activity underscores the renewed interest and confidence among institutional investors and in cryptocurrency, particularly in Bitcoin ETFs as an investment vehicle. However, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust experienced net outflows of $368 million, indicating that a diverging investor sentiment between ETFs and traditional trusts are happening. Now, the following day, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs witnessed an unprecedented surge in inflows, with provisional data indicating around $662.5 million in new investments. This surge was predominantly led by BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust and Fidelity's FBTC, which together amassed over $900 million in inflows. Now, the significant interest in these ETFs reflects solidifying institutional support for digital assets despite fluctuations in daily inflow figures throughout the week. Now, this shifting dynamics in the cryptocurrency market, the fluctuating daily inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs culminating in a weekly total of $2.23 billion. It illustrates the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency investment landscape. Fidelity's FBTC spot Bitcoin ETF in particular marked a historic milestone with record daily inflows of $473.4 million on Thursday, nearly doubling that of BlackRock's IBIT. Now, this event underscores Fidelity's rising prominence in the digital asset space and the escalating institutional demand for Bitcoin's exposure. Now, despite the overall positive trend, Grayscale's continued outflows highlight a shifting market dynamic, with investors' preference increasingly leaning toward ETFs over traditional trusts. Now, this shift is indicative of the evolving strategies among institutional investors as they navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market. As BlackRock's iShares and Bitcoin Trust emerges as a dominant force, surpassing MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings, the landscape of institutional investment in cryptocurrency continues to evolve, reflecting a broader trend of acceptance and integration of digital assets into the traditional investment portfolios. So yeah, people are getting on board with it now just because they're finally into the ETFs, but I wonder how high they're going to go. How much Bitcoin are these ETFs going to acquire? Well, these American ETFs, because like ETFs have been around for some time. It's just the US ETFs really pushed a huge spark into it. So I don't know, guys, how much do you think they're going to finally hold in the end, or like when there's finally like no more Bitcoin to collect for them to do? What do you think they're going to have? But I don't know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this article read through. If so, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.